Ano daw po nangyari? Opo, last year.
Well, I think yung good thing na nangyari after Deleter, no? We were very lucky, parang perfect storm siya na everyone was coming out of pandemic. Tapos yung viewers, medyo iba na yung taste kasi nung pandemic, puro tayo streaming, na-expose tayo sa genre cinema. So I think nag-work yun for Deleter na medyo, successful nag-box office. And because of that, in a good thing to na dumami yung horror. Like nakita talaga namin yung trend na ang dami nag-submit ng horror sa MMFF. So, realistically, very competitive, especially na they won't select more than 1 or 2 per genre. Hindi naman pwedeng horror film festival yun. So, very tight siya. So, di ba, Viva also submits romantic films, ganun. So, admittedly, competitive siya. Pero, we're lucky nga na Amazon Prime Video gave us this very good slot, no? Halloween, tapos worldwide, birthday pa ni Nadine. And ako, as a filmmaker, ang important lang naman ma-reach namin yung audience. Ako, hindi ako namimili talaga ng platform. Nag-start ako Cinemalaya, there was CCP, yung mga films ko, may films ako sa YouTube, sa Netflix. So, hindi ako picky sa ganun, sa platform. Ang important, ma-reach yung audience kasi yun lang naman yung goal namin. So, I'm still happy na, at least nag-opportunity to see it on the big screen na tama yung sound mix. Dito, mas rinig mo yung mga footsteps, yung mga hinga. Siyempre, yun lang yung challenge, no? Pag pinapanood na siya sa cellphone, sa laptop. So, ako thankful ako na at least we got to see it here.